Tears, pain, you never left my side. You remained the same, and I'm so glad that you love me. I'm here with another video for the company Yebo. Many of you, I'm sure, know the company. It's the company when I did the what are they called again? The bomb twist, Lita twist, spring twist. Yeah. So they were kind enough to send me a mannequin stand and a mannequin. So we're gonna go ahead and open it and do a little review. Okay. And I will be using it tomorrow because I have a lot of wigs I gotta make. So comes in this cute little bag. Oh, I love goodies. I love goodies. Comes with goodies. So oh, let me show y'all the goodies. So the goodies are these two little elastics, like rubber bands, to hold the hair. I don't know, this is not like the stand that I already have. This stand looks really different. Oh, okay. So I guess just like my other one, how it screws. I usually clamp it onto my like desk when I want to make a unit or whatever. So obviously that will go there. I think the little ball goes in here like that. And then I think this goes on top. Yes, that is how it goes. As soon as I can screwy dooey. And then the tighter you screw it, the tighter this becomes, which is good for you because then it's able to, you know, not move when you, and then they have this little piece here that's removable. So that's good because sometimes with this, like if the table is really, really thin, now you can get this all the way up as much as you need. So that's actually good that this piece is removable. That's actually a blessing for me because the table that I'm using is actually really, really thin. Okay, and let's go ahead and open up the mannequin. And it came pretty quick. When they contacted me, I probably got it within like 3 days. All right, so we're gonna get, I'm sorry y'all, all that noise, the pamphlet. So this is the pamphlet. This is a 23-inch cork block canvas head wig mannequin. And that's it, that's all it says. So, how do you open it? How do you open this? Oh. It doesn't feel so heavy, so I'm kind of worrying. Not worrying, but like trying to figure out what's the deal with that. Oh. Wow, look. Another mannequin stand. And here is the canvas head. This is so good. Let me tell you why this is good. Because the other one I have, y'all, it's breaking. And the reason why I think it's breaking is because, like, you see how this is like a cork canvas or whatever they want to call it? Well, the one that I have, I got it from like a beauty supply store, but it's on the inside, it's like not really cotton, but it's something like a cotton. And so because I'm always like putting it up and down and, you know, sewing on it, it's up in this area right here, it is starting to bend and break. So this came in handy. Okay, so this is a 23-inch. They do have, I believe, 22, 23, and 24. I did say I want a 24 because, you know, some of my clients, including myself, got a big head, but that's okay. It was complimentary, so we're not going to complain. As you can see here, it says 23. And, yeah, it has their name, Yebo. Yeah, I like this. Now, the only thing I think about this is maybe the T-pins won't stick in this like they're supposed to. I thought I had a T-pin handy. I was going to try to stick on it and see. If the T-pins can't stick in, that may be a little bit of a problem, only because I need the T-pin to stick in when I'm doing my frontals and my wigs. So, and we're just going to go ahead and just look and see what's all in this, since they were kind enough to put some stuff in this as well. So I can see that I have some clips. Hold on. Yeah, I love bubble wrap. I love it. I love to pop it. It's really nice. Okay, so, oh, they are so sweet. Oh my God. Oh my God, y'all, they're so sweet. So you get 2 clips. Y'all need to order it from them. These people, like, they always taking care. Oh my God. Like right now, I'm in like accessory heaven. Like, this is so sweet. Girl, they gave me some curved needles, some T-pins. So apparently that means the T-pins can't stick in there. Girl, they gave me some thread, girl. They gave me some thread. Girl, they gave me a wig cap. Girl. Girl. Then they gave me this wig cap, which I use too for like when I want to put the wig on. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. And then they gave me another stand. Like, ta-da. Oh my God, Yebo, y'all have really treated your girl so good. I mean, first it was the spring twist hair. Now it's the mannequin stand and the cork mannequin head. I mean, y'all just really, y'all really outdoing y'allself, and I love it. I thank y'all so much. I'm going to put their link into, I want to just try one of the T-pins real quick. I'm going to put their link into my description box so that you guys can contact them. Because, baby, I'm telling you, when you order this here, you're going to obviously get the hookup, okay? So, yes! Right in there. Shaboop. Shaboop. So, I'm good. I'm good. And if y'all order y'all this mannequin kit, y'all will be good too. Because, I mean, they treating y'all right. They giving the works, all right? So, that's all I have for y'all. Don't forget to thumbs up this video for more videos. And I'll see you guys later. Bye.